Hello, today, Lindsay, me, I'm gonna do a fun hair tutorial, like how I get these like fun beachy waves. My hair is getting a little bit longer, so I'm getting to experiment with like different styles. And honestly, this is exactly how I curled my hair whenever I kept it shorter, but parting it different now. So it has a whole different look and it's just tons of fun, so stay tuned.
But I'm gonna move back here really quick.
Okay. So this is where I start. This is a clean slate, nice, fresh hair. I wash my hair at night and I let it just air dry through like the rest of my evening, kind of go to bed with my hair wet, and this is what I wake up to. I have naturally curly hair, but I get Brazilian blowouts to really help relax that because it can get quite wild. So I fix my hair once a week and it's the day. A lot of you might be like, oh, that's kind of a long time to go without washing your hair. It took me a while to build up to once a week. I was washing my hair every day, and then it would go to every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days. Now I'm at a week. Your hair gets used to it. It learns like how much oil to produce, like the icky stuff. But ladies, if you have super oily hair, trust me, your hair can be trained. Just get yourself some dry shampoo. And I still use dry shampoo all the time. It just gives you body, does all the good things. It's great stuff. So here we are. Here's a clean slate. My hair, I kept it short for a while, kind of like a little shorter in the back, longer in the front, and it has grown. When I did that, I had like a side part, but I've been training it to part in the center. To get it to train that way, like I just, while it's kind of like still wet, like I'll comb it out, and then I'll just like pick my part, clip my hair back, and let it kind of dry that way on its own. And then, I mean, after a few days, my hair's kind of used to it. So let's get started. Sometimes I'll do the bottom, but I'm going to show you guys that I really don't, and here's why. It just kind of already has body. You see some of my natural curl is still down here, but it just has some body. The pieces right here might stick, look at that natural curl. It might like stick out from like the front of my hair, so I might do these a little bit. And I use a wand or a curling iron. I'm going to use this curling iron. It is a Baby Bliss Pro. Get it at Ulta or any like beauty store. I don't know, it's this big. I don't know how big that is. I don't have a ruler. Yay big. Maybe like 1.5 inches. Maybe. We can measure it and like let y'all know. But it says like nano titanium. It's just real cute. Does a really good job. I used a Hot Tools one that was that size before that, and they just were out of it whenever I broke it. I broke it real good. I break things really easily, but that's just what they had, so I got it and I love it. I always protect my hair with a heat protectant. This is by Sexy Hair Protect Me. Works really well. It adds shine, and it has a hold rating. Shine 7, hold 3. So I'm assuming like their other products have like other levels. This one works for me. Okay. Whew. Smells nice. All right, I comb it to kind of blend it in, make sure it gets everywhere. If you have oily hair and maybe, you know, you don't, I just have drier hair, I would probably use one of their other products. Just because this one has like that shine factor, it can make your hair like, it works perfect for me because I have dry hair, but it can make your hair like look oilier than it really is. So I just kind of pull it straight. I don't like little ringlets really. There you go. Just kind of finger comb it. I grab my hair in the middle, turn it up, and then kind of pull it towards the end. Like that. You'll see better on this side. I don't give the under part of the bottom half of my head a lot of love because no one sees it. Look at these curls. Good enough. I used to spend a ton of time underneath. I would straighten my roots and then I would curl it. Used to do that. Just gonna split the top up. This is kind of where it starts to matter what it looks like. This is a good look. pretty straight. I just kind of make it have a little more body. And I go back and forth with like direction. My hair was all basically the same length, like no layers, but I have layers put in. So I just kind of go back and forth. It just makes it look more beachy. It's kind of the look I'm going for. Ladies, make sure that you're combing out your curls. Anytime you curl your hair, you don't want to walk around with a ringlet. Make sure you really like comb it out with a comb, a brush, your fingers, whatever. Don't let them stick together. And that's kind of why I go back and forth with my curls. One away, one towards, one away. Always around my face. I go away though. I just don't want hair like coming into my face. And I just kind of comb my fingers through, see if I've missed a piece that needs a little love. When I do my head like all the same way, they start to stick together and it looks like a ringlets, like little Shirley Temple ringlets. Always straighten the roots. Up here it's always has more curl. And I really only spray this at the bottom of my hair. Now my whole head is curled. I'm just gonna go in with some product to make sure that it stays looking the way that I want it to look. So I use Not Your Mother's dry shampoo in warm sugar because, to be honest, I like to smell like a sugar cookie. Not gonna lie. It smells real good. I just kind of spruce up here just to give it some volume. They do have like, companies make volumizing spray, but they don't smell like sugar cookies. And if you know of one that smells like a sugar cookie, let me know, because I like it. Just kind of massage it in, and that'll help with like oil control later on down the road. Just kind of get it up there. Then I have this texture spray, Surf's Up texture spray. Surf's Up texture spray, that is a mouthful. For beachy waves and insane volume. I've never really put this on my like roots. I guess you could. Shake, spray, style, be beachy. I just kind of threw out, and it smells not like a sugar cookie, but still real good. Just kind of some volume. I don't like my hair to stick together. That's a lot of stragglers. I'm not the only one that has that. Whew, make a rug. That's a lot of hair. Okay. And then my favorite hairspray is made by Kinra. It is called Working Spray. It is a flexible hold hairspray, and it has a number 14 on it. Kinra, I don't know what that means, but it's fun. Just kind of get how I want it to look. I know some people use a texture spray and not a hairspray, but I just layer. This one doesn't taste as good as the others. Okay, that is how I do it. Real easy, real simple. Like the main thing, like don't put too much thought into it. Like be messy. You don't have to perfectly section it off. I used to spend an hour and a half doing my hair, making sure like my roots were perfectly straight and all the things, but the end result makes me so much happier when it only takes 25 minutes tops. But ladies, super easy to have like messy beach waves. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you had fun with this hair tutorial with me. Tons of fun. We have awesome stuff coming your way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and all the good things.